day everybody, welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time of watching this video, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button to get more interesting story. And today I'll be giving you a sad story though. Popular Nigerian rapper Sultan diagnosed with throat cancer. It was gathered that the artist has commenced chemotherapy in one of the hospitals in the United States. Olariwaju Fasasi, the Nigerian rapper who is popularly known as Sultan, is currently battling with throat cancer in the United States of America, according to reports. As we all know that chemotherapy is an aggressive form of chemical drug therapy meant to destroy rapidly growing cells in the body. It is usually used to treat cancer as cancer cells grow and divide faster than other cells. Sultan's career in show business started in the 1990s when he hosted shows to raise money for studio sessions. In 1999, he had won numerous local talent hunt shows. He released his first single, Jagbajantis, in 2000, which was a hit in Nigeria. After independently releasing other singles and featuring in hit songs of other artists, he was signed by Kenny's Music. Sultan began a working relationship with Wyclef Jean when featured alongside Two-Face Idibia and Faith on Proud to Be African from Wyclef's Welcome to Haiti Creole 101 album. In 2012, it was announced that Sultan was made a UN Ambassador for Peace for his exemplary lifestyle and career. In 2015, Sultan released the rap single Remember after a long absence from music. After the fallout of the African basketball, he joined forces with organizers of the Continental Basketball League to become a team owner of Lagos City Stars, the 2017 champions, and also a facilitator of the league entertainment. In 2009, Sultan married his longtime girlfriend, Chichi Mora, now known as Farida Farsasi, from the Igbo ethnic group. The couple has 3 children. He has numerous awards and nominations, which include the 2012 Headies Award for Album of the Year, Back from the Future. We wish Sultan a quick recovery so that he can come back to the music industry and give us more of his beautiful hit songs. Thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, and also like and share the video. Thank you.
दिल लगी कि तेरे दिल को दिल लगी न लगे